Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is wash day and I'm going to be showing you how I wash my hair, my full wash day routine, and it is protein week, so I'm going to be using a lot of protein based products. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. So my routine recently is to deep condition my hair weekly, and I will have a style for the rest of the week. So this past week I was wearing a braid out, and I think this new routine that I've been doing has been great. So basically I will alternate between protein week and then the next week I will do moisture week. So for shampoo, I'm going to be using our Maximum Strength Hair Growth Shampoo Bar. And this shampoo bar is great because it's super moisturizing, it doesn't strip your hair, and it cleanses it as well. So with this shampoo bar, you can use it as often as you like. It's not one of those products that you have to limit your uses. It's made of all natural ingredients such as avocado oil, castor oil, shea butter, burdock root powder, and stinging needle. So it has both cleansing properties as well as ingredients that will nourish your scalp and in turn help to promote healthy hair growth. So you can apply it directly to your scalp like I'm doing here, or you can apply it to your hands and then rub it into your scalp. And it just smells so good to me. I love the smell of the natural herbs. So I just let that sit on my scalp for a while, massage it into my scalp, and I know it's going to do an amazing job at helping the health of my hair. So I also like to put some on the length of my hair as well, focusing on my ends. And then I can go ahead and rinse all of that out. Now I'm going to be moving on to our black rice water herbal rinse. And since we are doing protein this week, I want to focus on really strengthening my hair. And this is a product that will be amazing in helping to strengthen your hair. So if you're familiar with black rice water or fermented rice water, you'll know the many benefits that it has for your hair. It nourishes and stimulates your hair follicles as well as promote healthy hair growth. So this herbal rice water rinse is made with organic black Thai rice. It's all natural, and we paired it with herbs and essential oils such as rosemary, eucalyptus, tea tree, lemongrass, and a bunch of other amazing ingredients. And all of these ingredients together balances your pH levels and strengthens your hair. So I'm spraying this all over my hair, my roots, my ends, and I'm basically saturating my entire head of hair with this herbal rinse. And I made the product be in a mist bottle so it can evenly distribute throughout your entire head of hair. So you want to keep this product refrigerated and don't use it more than twice a month. So I only use this product on protein week, so that's every 2 weeks. After applying to my entire head of hair, I'll put my hair up in a bun, and then I will put a plastic cap on my hair and leave it on my hair for at least 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes is up, I go ahead and rinse my entire head of hair, and my hair always feels so much stronger after using this treatment. And we just restocked both our Maximum Strength Hair Growth Shampoo Bar and our Black Rice Water Herbal Rinse. They are both available on our site, MariamHampton.com. Moving on to deep conditioner. So I'm going to be using my Black Rice Water Deep Conditioner. Alright, so I like to apply this deep conditioner all over my entire head of hair. A little goes a long way with this conditioner, so I only really use about 2 tablespoons on each section of my hair. So this conditioner has our black Thai fermented rice water as well, and ingredients such as amla, castor oil, and eucalyptus. So this does an amazing job at repairing damage as well as strengthening your hair, and it's great at detangling. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my hair and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I can go ahead and start the detangling process. And I'm going to be using my ultimate detangling brush to detangle my hair. Detangling my hair is a breeze these days with all of the products that I use, and with this detangling brush, it just makes my hair so easy to detangle. It literally takes me about 5 minutes to detangle my entire head of hair. I remember in the past, it used to take me forever to detangle my hair, and I would have to detangle my hair in about 4 to 6 sections. But now I only detangle my hair in 2 sections. And I think the brush is amazing because it's so big. It's just easier to detangle all my hair at once. And I don't really have as much hair loss or breakage when I'm using this brush. So after I'm done detangling my hair, I can rinse all of the conditioner out of my hair, and I can move on to my daily conditioner. So I'm going to be using this conditioner as a leave-in conditioner today. So this is our Maximum Strength Hair Growth Daily Conditioner. And this conditioner has a lot of moisturizing ingredients such as shea butter, manuka honey, almond oil, argan oil, the list goes on. So I just like to apply this to my hair. And on days I don't deep condition, I would just use this conditioner. And sometimes I would leave a little bit in and just keep it in as a leave-in. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my detangling brush and brush the product into my hair. And then I will rinse some out, wring out my hair, and then I am done. So yeah, that is about it. All of the products in today's video can be found at miriamhampton.com. And we have restocked most of our products since our Black Friday sale. We do have a few sales coming up for the holiday season, so stay tuned for that and make sure you're subscribed to miriamhampton.com to be notified of our sales and promotions. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. If you're not following me on any of my social media, you can follow me at Miriam J. Hampton and at MH Hair Growth. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.